Hi guys, welcome to part 7 of my build series. What I'm going to be doing today is unboxing my keyboard and doing the first power up test of my new PC. Let's get started. Okay, so I ended up going with the Logitech G510 gaming keyboard. Big fan of Logitech, and this will actually be my first Logitech keyboard. But I've been using a laptop for the last 3 years, so I've been used to the built-in keyboard there. So I think this will actually work out nicely. So we've got the keyboard and USB, of course. That's the getting started guide, some promo stuff, important info, and the driver disc. And then underneath, got the palm rest. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but we'll see. Okay, here's a close-up of the keyboard. All the way on the left, I've got 18 programmable macro keys, and it looks like we've got up to 3 different profiles that you can save. I don't think I'll need that many. Standard keyboard, mute button for mic and headphones. I think this slider enables and disables the Windows key on the bottom. I'm not totally sure. Then up here we've got a nice little display for info, and I guess you can display some PC specific info like temperatures and such. You could also do Ventrilo and some other add-ons, I guess, that you can do. I'll have to take a look at that when I plug this in. I think that's a dedicated button for the backlight, media controls, I guess there's a volume slider, and your keypad. Up at the top we've got jacks for headphone and mic. Alright, so we have the computer on the desk, keyboard and mouse hooked up, and my monitor. This I actually featured in a video a few videos back. This is a 24-inch Dell P2411H. So I'm going to turn this on, and let's do our first power up. There we go. Awesome. Got the case fans lit up nice. There it is in the front. Did I get it? Let's hit Dell. There we go. Awesome. This Dell, I think it's a UEFI BIOS. I don't know, it's just a BIOS that you can use a mouse in. I think we're officially in. Alright, so I repositioned the camera on the tripod so we can take a little closer look here. One thing I did notice is it's registering that even though I have my 16 gig of memory, which is what I've got, it's saying that I have it's rated at DDR3 1600 megahertz. Let me zoom in so you can see that. So 1600 megahertz. Now the memory that I have is rated at 1866. So I'm going to zoom out. Let me come over to advanced mode. This BIOS, being able to use the mouse, is actually really convenient here. I'm going to go to here and use XMP. Now XMP I guess is a way for the memory to tell the motherboard exactly what it is. And sure enough, when I make that change, it does say DDR3 1866, with a 910/928 setting at 1.5 volts. So we're gonna save that. How do I save? F10. So we'll save that. And see if it takes. Okay guys, so I rebooted, and sure enough our settings took. So I do see 1866, which is the rated speed of this memory. I think we're all set. So next move for me is to load Windows 7 and start testing this bad boy. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay tuned.